Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize retirement plan contribution reporting in Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing retirement plan contribution reporting in Fidelity, visit the Fidelity website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located in the main menu. Select Retirement Accounts from the drop-down menu. Find and click on the specific retirement plan you wish to manage. Look for the Contributions or Funding section within your plan details. In that section, locate the option for Contribution Reporting. Click on Authorize Reporting related to your retirement plan. You will be presented with the terms and conditions for contribution reporting. Read through these terms carefully before proceeding. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance of the terms. Next, click on the Continue button to move forward. You may need to provide additional information, such as your Social Security number. Fill in any required fields accurately to ensure the authorization process is smooth. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Submit button to authorize the reporting. After submission, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. This may also be sent to your registered email for your records. If you have any questions, refer to the Help section or contact Fidelity Customer Support. Make sure to log out of your account after completing the process for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.